manufacturer. They just approached us to see if we'd be interested in their cab redesign, really looking for improved comfort for the operator, make it more modern. You know, the machine is probably 20 years old design that they wanted to update the control system. Currently they had a bunch of different just mechanical switches, small display. They had a pretty rude and crude seat. It was a two-sided seat. We went to a single seat that rotated 180 degrees, added the joysticks to the seat itself, so all the functionality of the machine for the most part is now on two joysticks. Added a large display with multiple pages for machine functionality. Transmission will be on one page, engine on another page. Really improved the comfort and operation of the machine. Yeah, this cab has a really narrow profile to it because the machine has to fit through tunnels and under bridges and stuff like that. So we had an envelope that we had to meet. We also have 6 cameras on their machine that go to a separate display because they want to be able to look at the camera and machine displays as well. It really simplified their I guess I'll call it their dash, because of all the mechanical switches that they had before. Now many of those switches are all integrated into the display because it's a touchscreen display. Everything is at their fingertips. The seat is positioned to where the operator can lean out, because that's one requirement. The operators lean out the window quite often to see the rail. You work with them on getting the proper seat position. Before they had a really rigid steering column system, so now we've got a multi-position steering column to make it more operator user-friendly, and you can tilt it up and out of the way to make more room in the cabin. Because it's a small cabin, space is a premium. Yeah, we worked hand in hand with the engineering team and their production team and their sales team to get the look and feel that they want. I mean, everything, all the controls are now with their joysticks, so they're not lifting their hand to adjust the throttle and operate a particular function. The throttle's now on the joystick. All the operator functions, the coupler functions are on another separate joystick. So the operator can just literally look out the window at the coupler and couple to the train without taking their hands off the seat.